I am about to go on a night ride and we are going to test the Velospeed Winkers with its built-in MDL and the AST1 headlights. So sama kayo sa night ride namin. So we are now riding around Osmeña Highway and we are going on a night ride, going to Tagaytay and check out the lights. So for this one, naka-on na yung MDL and AS headlights. We are around Amadeo, going to Tagaytay. The headlights and the Velospeed MDLs are already on. Pag naka-high beam siya, meron siyang yellow. So nag-yellow siya kapag high beam. So you will have a longer range when you put it on high beam. On this part, as you can see, we are on high beam. Ayan, nakita nyo yung longer range niya and wider range as well. Parang 3 lanes yung wide range ng ilaw natin. This includes the Velospeed Winkers and the AS headlights. So ayan, pag kumukurbada ka ngayon, nakikita mo din. So ganun siya ka-wide. So nakikita mo yung kurbada. So this is the good thing about the Velospeed Winkers and with a combination of the AS headlights. Check this out, sa madilim yung light output na Velospeed mini driving light with a mix of the AS-E1 headlights. Thank you for riding with us. Na-test natin yung Velospeed mini driving lights and the AST1 headlights. So as you can see, kahit sa madilim, for city rides, malakas siya. Lalong-lalo na syempre sa long ride, magtatagaytay kayo, magmamarilaki. It's the perfect light. You can see the range, yung wide range din ng ilaw. Maliwanag siya. So hindi ka mangangapa sa daan, lalo na pag sa gabi. So if you're interested in getting the Velospeed Winker with its built-in mini driving lights, inquire at Scoot Monkey and they will be happy to install this for you. So this is Mikey of Carbon Media. See you on the next. Ride safe.